This elastic stretch fit belt allows you to move, allows some breathability to your waistband, as well as reduces the amount of waist fatigue because it'll move with you, yet firmly hold the pants in place. The elastic design allows you to move freely. You can wear this belt while exercising. It won't cause excessive strain on your waist, cause your pants to ride into your side or gut. Allows your belt to move with you while you exercise. One of the great features about it is there are no metal parts, so it doesn't pinch when you get into the vehicle. Or if you were to go through an airport metal detector, you won't have to take it off. It's a very high quality belt. I would highly recommend it.